manipur gi khoi gi territorial khoi integrity da singnar khuding mak thengna ba khoi gi sem sare ana khoi UCM gi ma ke ju thamai manipur gi territorial integrity gi singnar ba amata UCM na tumina yengduna leiroi hana UCM gi maike de su khoi phongdorli tha sigi tara tareta the development magazine da khoi gi Rajib Bhattacharya na khoi gi tawba report amada haiba tari India miyamgi maraktagi leiriba boundary issue gi losanaba honabada khoi gi manipur gi lam khara haiba tari khoi gi lam saru khara su yauki gadra haiba gi su khoi gi tonganba state amada gi khoi gi reporter Rajib Bhattacharya na khoi magazine amada masi jeron je phongdoro khibani lakchani ngi khoi gi manipur gi leiriba ngamkhai sing asi mafam chana boundary tawidaba amadi masida yana ba honarakpada khoi gi India lenga na su khoi manipur gi oiba lam saruk sidagi mingonda pithokpada khara yaukigadra haiba gi su chingnaba lei haina su atopa state ki haiba tari magazine dagi koi phongro ko koi thengna khare thong aroi boina kamani thambini
madugi poto diplomat haiba poto da hapak pane adu madugi poto da yauri si koi ki as an official document sent by the diplomat mention a proposal being examined by the Indian government to complete the demarcation of the boundary between border pillar number 65 and 68 along Manipur border with Myanmar. The document says 1.4 square mile is proposed to be exchanged with Myanmar following a proposal from the Foreign Secretary. And tawgiba posi matang oigani na khalle ko masi yamna farak taba poni aduga masi aikoina masi posi tarai na lobu yaroi mamang de koi kabo beli pithopo gi matang mayam amai koina dum mamar pithoki besi to yamna controversial oiba koi gi part amai koi gi boundary gi Manipur border pillar number 64 68 da ujiki molsam gi border pillar number 75 and 79 more da amadi border pillar number 88 and 895 choro khuno da sigi thokoi pot adum lei pot ne sigi pot mayam je mari thola ga sumai lei nge marakta hujiki the diplomat hari poto an official document seen by the diplomat hana haiba pot am yoriba ure haiba ne moina development uraba chema official ba chema gi matungina ngase 1.4 square miles pitu oni and proposed to we put among asagi from foreign secretary gi proposal to na haiba posidi yam live activity must UCM amukon to to mayam civil society organization mayam na ngasi fawda ekoi gi manipur gi territorial integrity madugi kano gi yetumoto na pakpa amabhota madu compromise to madugi pot war kanada da koi warushinam ta propia masigi pochi henjan bi yaro hen tawna leibda hojik sumba pot acho Singrak Pahai, Yam Live activity, and even Equi Valley da Nasidi Equi Manipur total geographical area 10% of the total geographical area 10% of the Valley no Oyaragasu, Laibia Mayam Tamina Kundamina 6-7% Paponte. Sigi Zaga, Sigi Pokta Sumina, Masisham Dokshin to Wigi, Matam Yore, Masigi Porta, MLR in 1960s, Shamtoki, Madurehi and Hapchin Bagi, and Shotokchin Bagi, Madugi Port Dakale, hiring Matam the Equi Yam picture of Lamjid, Equi Mimashing on Wangale. Generation decade among the Pote Hangale Miams, there message illegally influx of Locomams Yorini. So I is the Amukshu equilager Lamzi, Masset, Mayan Pitokrakana Manipur, Cousin Mamai Park was the last, Cousin Mamai Pongli, Hodo Dagri, Madu Yamna, Praktana, Portamazulakani, Adana Madugi Port to the Equigi, Tasiana Manipur, Situm, conflict zone, Moina, a crisis topic, a problem topic, issue them Naina Raga, Namsilaga Lak, we put a Matahana, whatever Mayama, hidden directors, Nasagi, Magi Pigeon, Marum Dudagi Haitare, Madugi Portu, Smina Tono, Sin of Honapa, Madugi script writer, director, creators, Mam, Sing to Maduki section before Madugi Portu, the equators in Uraiba. Puturaiba development Puturi ports the Quina, Samtupi Manado, Handu watching Mutum the Tunge, Lono Chingtopaya, Langdona Hanagis Hadring, Matum Dasan Bayaba Portu Lakani, Madugi Portu, Ikan port in Madu with the Fay, other Tauno, Botosu, Masai Quini Yam, the controversial by the border pillar Mayama, Equi 64 and 68 at Molsam, and the border pillar 75 to 79 at More, and border pillar number 88 to 95 at Chorokuno, Aduga Sagi. Proposed cannot over 65 to 68 along Manipur border with Myanmar and Lady Port Mayam Sings here. Ningtijana Madugi, any concerned authorities India, Manipugi, Punam Namadu Gana Prazamiam, Sigimata, May China, and May Amuk Tower, Jen Port Town Port set, Tawida Fay, the diplomat Hariba Port and a Fonga Port in a Sumbo, Bataragadi, Landboy Bataraga, Madugi Port Sapchava, Madugi Matata, Lalambatagan, Action Local Patsumam Bataragana, Karamakan, Action Local Pahado, Nakal Almukipotu Yenga Tohuna, Yam the Levak Shanti. Lakani na traga lewak sing may holing at the end of my jacket in each manner, Tamsani.